Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you what I'm taking in my embarkation day bag for my upcoming cruise. So I have already filmed this video. I have already filmed a video showing you what's in my suitcase, which is still open here, including some new things that I just got from Amazon. But I'm going to show you what is in my embarkation day bag. So first things first, this is the bag that I'm bringing. It's just a tote bag. It is open. That's one of the things that I'm not thrilled about, but I was trying to pack less for this trip than I normally do. I really didn't want to bring my backpack. I was really hoping to just bring my sling bag and not have to bring anything like this, but it didn't work out that way. I have a little bit too much stuff. I think that I probably could have made it work, but didn't want to risk it. So pretty much everything that I will need for the first day is here. The only exception is going to be my camera with its batteries and my memory cards and things like that. Those are going to be packed at the very end. But pretty much everything else is in here already. The first thing that I have in here is going to be my waterproof phone pouch. So I got this in a 2-pack. One is for me, one is for my sister. We are going on a couple different beach days, couple different excursions. We're going on one excursion to some waterfalls, and I will of course take my phone with me, but I wanted to make sure that I had it protected. This one does float, which I wanted because I'm the kind of person that would drop my phone in the ocean and it would be gone forever. Because I would not have my waterproof phone case that floats. I also have a little baggie that has disposable washcloths that I got at the Dollar Tree. These are just in case we want to freshen up one day and like we're out on the beach or something. I have my travel wallet. It has not been packed yet. It's got a pocket back here in the back for like my ID. It's got multiple card pockets. It's got a little change part back here in the very back, so I can put cash in here. I can put all kinds of stuff in here. I used it a lot when we were in Europe last summer. The next little pouch that I have in here is like an everyday like essentials pouch, just in case we need them kind of thing. So I've got some ponytail holders in here. I've got a chapstick. I have some floss sticks. I've got ginger candies in case we get motion sick. I have these little Spot My UV patches that you put on your skin, and it tells you when to reapply your sunscreen. I've got some antacid tablets here. I've got shout wipe, little packet of like hand soap sheets. I have a little compact brush that I got at the Dollar Tree. I have a carabiner for my water bottle so that I can attach it to my backpack. And then I have a packet of emergency just in case, you never know. And then I have my Dramamine and my Bonine or Bonine tablets in here too, so that we can take those when we get on the cruise ship if we feel like we're going to be motion sick. I don't typically get motion sick, but my mom and my sister do. The next pouch that I have in here is going to be like my essentials in the room and a couple other essentials. So I've got my eye mask for sleeping. I have a Sharpie pen. I've got another pen that's a little bit more fun that has like this cute little pineapple design on the top. I got both of those at the Dollar Tree. I've got some gum. I've got some Lysol wipes. I've got Kleenexes. I have these cute little lanyard card holders that I got at Dollar Tree. They're a sloth and a llama. I got 2 of the llama ones, one for me, one for my sister, and the sloth one is for my mom. I have my little pill case. I actually have 2 of these that I'll be taking with me, but the other one I'm using currently. It just has ibuprofen, Claritin, Dramamine, Tylenol, allergy medicine in it, so it just opens up like this. I got these in a 2-pack from Amazon. I love these. They're super convenient. I have some tinted chapstick here that does have 15 SPF in it, just so my lips don't get burnt. I have 2 portable chargers, one of which is not coming with me. The other one is going on top of my suitcase with the things that are going to my family members that I am not bringing with me. Then I have my bug bite thing, so you stick it on there and you just pull it up and it will like suction up the area where you're bitten. So that's it for that pouch. The last pouch that I have in here is the same design as like my packing cubes and my shoe bag and my toiletry case, and I love it, this like pink leopard print. So I've got a dress in here that I can wear the very first night of the cruise. It's got like this flamingo pattern on it. It's from Amazon. It's got pockets. It's super cute. I have these little clips from the Dollar Tree that are like towel clips. They're really clothespins, but we can use them as towel clips. I have some sunscreen, a little sunscreen stick. This is Think Sport brand. It is a reef safe sunscreen that I ordered from Amazon. I have my little portable fan here. So it opens up like this and you just click this button, and it's got 2 speeds. It's got a super fast speed and then a slower speed. And it also can be a portable charger. So if I needed another portable charger, I have it. I have a little case in here that has sunglasses in them. So these are foldable sunglasses that I got from the Dollar Tree. So they just fold out like this. The case is also from the Dollar Tree, and inside of here I have this little like neck strap that I can put on these sunglasses to make sure that I don't lose them. Now, I'm not super concerned about losing these. These are kind of like my emergency, oh no, I lost my other sunglasses, or like I'm going to the beach and I'm just gonna bring these with me so that I don't have to worry about bringing my better sunglasses. But I do love that it came with this. You could buy this little pouch. So then also in here I have another tinted chapstick. This is Sunbum brand in the color Bonfire. Then I have my cover up for my bathing suit. I just got it at Walmart. I think it was like $15, so it wasn't bad. Then I have my bathing suit in here. It's from Shein. So it's just, the top is from Shein. It's just a top like this, so I like this top because you can wear it here or you can wear it off the shoulder. I like to wear it off the shoulder, so it's super cute. And it does come down low enough to where my high-waisted bottoms will actually come all the way up, so that pretty much everything is covered, which is the way I prefer it. These are just from Amazon. They came with the top very similar to this black one. So the last couple things that I have in here are my tripod for my camera. It's a Canon G7X Mark II. This tripod came with it, so I can just hold my camera on here, and it does stabilize it a little bit. And then the last thing that's in here right now is my selfie stick. So I can remember when selfie sticks first became a thing, I used to laugh about how ridiculous it was that people had these, but they've gotten so advanced. So I love this. It does turn and open up. You open up these little things and it expands and you can put your phone in there. I don't have any problem with the expansion. It grips my phone really well. It's actually got these little grips on the side so that it will hold onto your phone. It does come up like this, and then it opens up into a tripod and has a little Bluetooth remote here, so you can set this up and then step away and take your pictures. And so I do like that aspect. And then it also has a light here at the top, so you can have lighting for your photos. And then it just folds up, super nice and compact, and so it's just easy to carry around with you. And so yeah, that is my Embarkation Day bag. The only thing that wasn't in here is my camera, which I'm using. And so this is actually going to not only be my Embarkation Day bag, but it's also going to be my bag that I take with us to our beach trips. So it's going to be my little beach bag. The outside is like a canvas material and the inside is kind of like plasticky. So I think it'll be really nice when it comes to like getting the sand off. The only other thing that would be in here that I didn't show you in this video, but I showed you in my other video, is my new portable phone charger, which is my iWalk. Just came in today. I'm super excited about it. So I've got it and its charger in here in this little case, and it just makes it super easy and compact to just take with me. So that is everything that is going in my Embarkation Day bag. I hope you like this video. If you did, make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel, and then if you have any kind of suggestions for either of my packing videos on what I can bring, what I can leave at home. This is only my second cruise, and I've never cruised to the Caribbean, so if you have any sort of suggestions on anything that for sure that I am leaving out and that I need, make sure you let me know in the comments down below, and then I will see you guys in the next video.